Have you ever wondered if you could make money by just watching YouTube videos? Sounds like a dream, right? But what if I told you it's not a dream? Welcome to the world where the line between relaxation and earning blurs. There are platforms out there like 𝐂𝐡𝐞𝐫 that actually pay you for simply watching videos. Yes, you heard it right. Your favorite pastime of watching YouTube videos can now help you earn some extra cash. But how does it all work? Are there other websites that offer similar opportunities? We'll be exploring all these questions and more in the upcoming segments. Be sure to stick around as I'll be sharing a list of websites where you can start earning money right away. But before we move on, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on our videos. Now, you're probably asking, how does this work? Well, it's surprisingly straightforward. Websites like 𝐂𝐡𝐞𝐫 operate as intermediaries between advertisers and viewers like you. Advertisers want their content seen, and viewers, well, they want to make a quick buck. It's a win-win situation. Here's the breakdown. Advertisers pay these websites to boost views on their YouTube videos or to promote specific content. The websites, in turn, pay users to watch these designated videos. You sign up, choose a video, watch it, and voila, you've just made money. But how does the website know you've watched the video? Well, they use clever tracking technology that monitors your viewing activity. It's not Big Brother, it's just ensuring that advertisers get their money's worth and you get yours. The payment per video varies. It can depend on several factors, such as the website you're using, the duration of the video, and the advertiser's budget. Some videos may earn you a few cents, while others could fetch a few dollars. It's like a treasure hunt, you never know what you'll find. But it's not just about watching videos. Some of these websites offer additional ways to earn money. You might get paid to take surveys, test out apps, or even perform simple tasks like signing up for a newsletter. It's all about maximizing your earning potential. One thing to note, though, is that these websites typically have a minimum payout threshold. This means you'll need to earn a certain amount before you can withdraw your earnings. But don't worry, with a little patience and consistency, you'll reach that threshold in no time. It's a fun, easy way to make a bit of extra cash in your spare time. And the best part? You get to discover new content and maybe even stumble upon your next favorite channel. Sounds simple, right? But how much can you really earn? Let's investigate. Curious about the earning potential? Let's dissect this. The potential earnings could vary greatly depending on the platforms you choose and the tasks related to the video. Every video you watch could pocket you a few cents to $1. Therefore, to increase your earnings, you need to watch many videos. Think of it as a pleasant, relaxing activity that also provides an opportunity to earn some extra money. Perhaps you're watching videos with your morning coffee on a lunch break, or to relax after a hard day. Over time, those cents and dollars accumulate, giving you some additional spending money. On average, regular users who invest a few hours daily across different platforms can anticipate decent earnings. It's crucial to acknowledge that factors such as the country of residence, the time you devote to watching, and even the types of videos you watch can impact your earnings. Certain platforms might offer higher payments for specific video categories, or for additional tasks like commenting or sharing the video. Now let's explore some other websites where you can do this. 𝐂𝐡𝐞𝐫 isn't the only game in town. There are other platforms where you can also earn money by watching YouTube videos. Let's explore some of them, shall we? First up is 𝐨𝐴𝐵. It's not just a fancy name, it actually pays you, well, bucks. 𝐨𝐴𝐵 offers a variety of ways to earn, including watching videos. The platform has a wide range of video categories to choose from, so you're bound to find something that piques your interest. The more videos you watch, the more 𝐨𝐴𝐵 you earn, which you can then redeem for gift cards or cash via PayPal. Next on our list is Inbox Dollars. This platform operates in a similar way to 𝐨𝐴𝐵, rewarding users for watching videos among other activities. However, it's worth noting that Inbox Dollars pays out in cash, not points. This can make it easier to track your earnings. But on the flip side, the payout threshold is higher compared to 𝐨𝐴𝐵. You need to earn at least $30 before you can request a payout. The next one is 𝐕𝐢𝐝𝐻. This is a website where users can earn money by watching videos. Here's how you can make money watching videos on 𝐕𝐢𝐝𝐻. Start by signing up for an account on 𝐕𝐢𝐝𝐷.com. You may need to provide basic information such as your name, email address, and preferred payment method. Once you're logged in, browse through the available video offers on 𝐕𝐢𝐝𝐻. These may include advertisements, promotional clips, trailers, and other video content. Select a video offer that interests you and start watching the video. You'll earn money or rewards for each video you watch on the platform. As you watch videos, your earnings will accumulate. The amount you earn per video can vary depending on the length of the video and the specific offer. Once you've reached the minimum payout threshold, you can cash out your earnings. 𝐭𝐡𝐞𝐫 typically offers payment options such as PayPal or gift cards. Additionally, you can increase your earnings by referring friends to 𝐭𝐴𝐻. Many platforms offer referral bonuses when new users sign up using your referral link. Lastly, there's �my_points. While it's primarily known for its cashback shopping offers, �my_points also pays users to watch videos. The earning structure is point-based, just like 𝐭𝐡𝐞𝐵. You earn points for watching video playlists, which you can then redeem for gift cards or cash. The variety of video content is somewhat limited compared to the others, but hey, it's still a viable option to make some extra cash. Just remember, it takes time and consistency to see substantial earnings. But if you're someone who enjoys watching videos in your spare time, why not get paid for it? As you can see, there are plenty of options out there for making money by watching YouTube videos. Let's now dive into some other ways you can monetize your time on these platforms. Yes, you heard it right. Watching videos is not the only way to earn on websites like TimeBucks, SwagBucks, Inbox Dollars, and �my_points. These platforms offer a variety of tasks that you can perform to earn money. Firstly, taking surveys. Many of these platforms partner with market research companies looking for consumer opinions. Completing these surveys can earn you anywhere from a few cents to a couple of dollars, depending on the length and complexity of the survey. Secondly, testing apps. Companies are always looking for individuals to test their apps before they hit the market. By simply downloading, installing, and providing feedback on these apps, you can earn a decent amount of money. Next, performing simple tasks. These can range from data entry and transcription to virtual assistants and content creation. The pay for these tasks varies greatly based on the complexity and time required. Lastly, cashback shopping offers. These platforms partner with various online retailers to offer cashback on purchases made through their links. This can be a great way to earn money back on purchases you were already planning to make. Just like with watching videos, the earning potential of these tasks varies greatly. But the key is to find tasks that you enjoy and that align with your skill set. So why not try out some of these additional earning methods? You might find you enjoy them just as much as watching videos, and the added income can be a nice bonus. Remember, earning money by watching YouTube videos is an easy and fun way to make some extra cash in your free time. So grab your popcorn, sit back, relax, and start earning today. Don't forget to hit the like button, share this video with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more easy money-making tips. Happy watching, and see you in the next video.